Welcome to Smart Stats. Crunch it with Calc, a step-by-step guide to mastering correlation and regression using the Casio FX570MS calculator. This project is brought to you by our dedicated team: Suryana Ishak, Noor Farah Wahida Abdul Rashid, Emia Milda Ahmad Mokhtar, Hazrina Tajuddin, Nick Nur Sayazreen Nick Rahimi, and Shahira Abdul Qadir. In today's data-driven world, understanding and applying statistical methods, like correlation and regression, is increasingly important. This project offers a simple, student-friendly guide to performing these analyses using the Casio FX570MS calculator tool, widely available in classrooms. It aims to bridge the gap between theory and practice, helping students analyze real-world data with confidence. The guide provides clear, step-by-step instructions using a relatable case study, making statistical concepts easier to grasp. This hands-on approach enhances learning, supports skill development, and encourages meaningful engagement with data across diverse student backgrounds. Many students struggle to apply statistical methods like correlation and regression, especially when using tools such as the Casio FX570MS calculator. Although the calculator is widely available, many lack the basic skills and confidence to use it effectively for analysis. Next, this gap limits their ability to verify calculations, interpret data, and apply theory to real-world problems. A clear, student-friendly guide is needed to simplify calculator-based statistical analysis, making it more accessible, engaging, and practical for learners at all levels. Students should be able to use step-by-step calculator in solving correlation and regression. Improves technical skills, builds students' competency in using calculators for statistical calculations, bridges theory and practice, connects classroom learning with real-world data application, fostering deeper engagement. What is linear correlation? It is a statistical technique used to assess the association between two variables. If one variable is connected to another, they are considered to be correlated. What is simple regression? It can be used to calculate the value of the dependent variable by estimating the value of the independent variable. Case study. The data presented shows a clear negative correlation between the number of hours spent on social media per day X and the quality of sleep Y, as measured by a sleep quality score. Specifically, as the number of social media hours increases from 1 to 10 hours, the sleep quality score steadily decreases from 80 to 35. How to use calculator. You will be exposed on how to use the calculator to solve a linear regression problem. Finding correlation coefficient, R. Step 1. Choose regression mode. Press Mode 2. Step 2. Press 1 to choose Lin. Step 3. Reg will be displayed on the top side of the screen. Step 4. Enter pairs of X, Y. Step 5. Complete all entries for the dataset. Step 6. A. Output interpretation. Submission X squared. B. Output interpretation. Submission X. C. Output interpretation. N. D. Output interpretation. Submission Y squared. E. Output interpretation. Submission Y. F. Output interpretation. Submission XY. G. Output interpretation. R. Final answer. The correlation value is R equals 0.91. Finding regression equation Y equals A plus BX. H. Output interpretation. A. I output interpretation. B. General equation of regression. Y equals A plus BX, Y equals 96.733 minus 4.392X. To conclude, this guide provides a clear, step-by-step explanation for calculating correlation and regression coefficients. It helps students understand the relationship between two sets of data and make simple predictions. Thank you for following along. With these steps, correlation and regression become not just statistical terms, but practical tools for everyday data analysis.